So, dear students, we did all the adjustments. We adjusted capitals of partners, and according to procedure, we did everything we had to do according to procedure in case of reconstitution. Now, in case of admission of a partner, in this case, that some cash disbursements, cash receipts took place. In case of admission of a partner, some disbursements and receipts, some payments and receipts of cash take place more frequently. So, at the time of admission of partner, we usually prepare cash account also. So, in this case, in this problem, we will also prepare a cash account. You know that cash account is a real account. You already know that cash account is a real account. For real account, the classification is debit what comes in, credit what goes out. So, in this cash account, on the debit side, we will write the receipts of cash, and on the credit side, we will write the payments of cash during this course of admission, during this problem. So, if firstly, we will see the balance of cash in hand according to balance sheet of our firm. That was, we will write here, to balance BD from balance sheet, that was 90,000. If you go through the balance sheet of the firm, you will find there that we had a cash balance of 90,000. And then on the debit side, we will write other receipts, other things that we received, other items of cash that we received during the course of this admission. So on the debit side, we will write receipts. What we received? We received to शबीर कैपिटल अकाउंट. जिस वक्त शबीर ने कैपिटल लाया था, उस वक्त उसने 1 लाख रुपया कैश लाया था, कैपिटल दिया था. शबीर ने लाया था प्रीमियम, वो भी हमने फर्म ने रिसीव किया टू प्रीमियम अकाउंट. कितना लाया था? 15,000. और क्या हमने रिसीव किया था? और हमने रिसीव किया था रहीम जो है, रहीम को डेफिशिएंसी थी. यू नो दैट अगर आप कैपिटल अकाउंट्स की तरफ जाओगे, कैपिटल पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट जो हमने अभी प्रिपेयर किए, आप उनमें देखोगे रहीम जो है, रहीम इज कैपिटल अकाउंट. रहीम जो है, उसके कैपिटल अकाउंट में डेफिशिएंसी 37,000 की, उसने कैश लाया था 37,000. So these are the receipts of cash during the course of this admission. We had a cash balance according to balance sheet 90,000. We received cash of 1 lakh as capital from Shabir's capital account. We received 15,000 as goodwill, premium for goodwill from Shabir. And we received from Rahim 37,000 as his deficiency in his capital account. This is the total cash that we received during the case of this admission. And now we will see what we paid during this admission. If you will go through the capital accounts, you will find here that Rashid is capital account. Rashid had a surplus of 69,000. Rashid had a surplus of 69,000 and we paid Rashid that surplus. ये थी रिसीट्स एडमिशन के दौरान जो हमने कैश रिसीव किया. अब हम देखेंगे पे क्या क्या किया. पे हमने किया, अगर आप कैपिटल अकाउंट्स की तरफ जाओगे, आप वहां पर देखोगे रशीद ने 69,000 जो है वो विड्रा किया था. वो सरप्लस था, उसको सरप्लस कैपिटल बैलेंस, उसने वो विड्रा किया. तो उस वक्त हमने उसको 69,000 कैश पे किए थे. इसके अलावा हमने पार्टनरशिप में कुछ नहीं पे किया था. ठीक है ना? So that means we can say that $90,000, we will total these sides and that amounts to 2,42,000. 2,42,000, and the cash balance that remains with us is by balance CD that we will carry down is 1,73,000. And this cash balance will be shown in the new balance sheet of the firm that we have this cash in hand. This much amount of cash in hand we have. हमारे पास रिसीट्स ये थे एडमिशन के दौरान और हमने पेमेंट ये एक की थी, ठीक है ना। तो कैश बैलेंस हमारे पास फर्म के पास रह गई 1,73,000 and this was each and everything about this problem. After this cash account we will have to prepare the balance sheet of reconstruction. That is so easy to maintain that balance sheet of reconstituted firm, but you know that this is the problem that we formulated on our own, so it will be difficult to balance both sides of balance sheet. Now जो मेन चीजें थी वो यही थी, यहाँ तक हमने इस प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व किया. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड इट वेरी वेल. थैंक्स.